Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we are very happy to see you here today. I just flew in from Calgary, and boy are my arms tired. Really, they are. I'm tired. It's okay. I am working on our March's Quilt of Valor. This is the 4.5 by 4 patch and a 4.5 solid, white and red. And I just went through my stash of the reds and the whites. It's very much a scrappy quilt, but I really love the layout and the design that I came up with when trying to build it out. I flipped and flopped the 4 patches. So it kind of gave a bit of a different design, like it almost looked like a red square was floating, and, well, so said the fans, and a white square was floating. So, and I really liked the idea of it. So, and I just put a very light gray border around it. I did a little bit thicker on the bottom, kind of bulked it out. It's 68 by 56, and that is a perfect size for a Quilt of Valor. So if you're not sure what a Quilt of Valor is, they have them in, I'm sure in every single country, but I know most prominently in North America. There's the United States, and here up here, of course, in Canada. So they are quilts that are designed and given to the vets, or whether it be Army, whatever it may be, that who have served our country, they get one of these quilts. So, and of course, we want to make sure they're nice and pretty and something that they could possibly be very proud of. And I'm trying to make mine very gender neutral on all terms. We're doing 12 throughout the whole year to help honor our Quilts of Valor and our vets of this country. So, and this one we have done, there's lots of patriotic maple leaves in here with the red and the white and some bit of Canada fabric. So of course, I'm stitching it out with a maple leaf stitch out. So there's 4 maple leaves, and they kind of interlock a little bit as they go along. And Walt has just kind of worked like mad and fitted it all in. I didn't, when I set it out for the edge to edge, I only did within the edge of the quilt. I just went within here, not including the border. I kind of want the border to be nice and fluffy. Why not? Oh, hello, Mr. Magoo. He missed me a lot. So did Miss Sophie Lofi. And I love this stitch out. I've done it on a couple of quilts, some charity quilts, some kids quilts. It's one of my favorites. It's a beautiful maple leaf. You don't have to be Canadian to appreciate a maple leaf, of course, but it's definitely one that means a lot to us. So hopefully you enjoy the stitch out. So to find out about my little weekend excursion to Calgary to surprise my sister for her 50th, you're going to have to watch on Saturday to hear all about it. Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern, we'll do a live stream. We're going to start a new project. I'm very excited. This one's kind of cute. This one's really cute. You'll be like, oh. Well, apparently I'm getting some extra loving from the cat. Come here. There we go, hey? Watch with me. Just don't claw my microphone or my shirt. All right. It's beautiful fabrics. I like the mix of like the reds and the whites and all that in between. Ooh, don't do that, Mr. Clive. And I hope the person who gets it does as well. I really do. You know, when you put it together with love, and I was thinking of, you know, somebody who was going to get it, and hopefully it comes across as a very loving and meaningful gift. So. And I chose a very soft, cool gray thread, both bottom and top, the bobbin and the top thread. And I'm using a, it's got a gray flower, but it's got white on it as well, and a couple of shades of gray. And because of the gray on the border, I thought it would look nice together. So, and I think I would pop it with a black binding. That's, what do you guys think about that? Kind of frame it out. So. Seems like everybody missed me. Right, Mr. Magoo? Huh? So Walt is just going to finish this out. This is actually 4 stitch outs across, and it's going to do 4 rows to fill up this 52. This way goes 52 this way, and I forgot to measure how much it went actually this way. So I think it actually ends up being like, I think it's 58, because we added like 4 inches or something like that, or 52 or something. We added 4 inches on either side. All right, so take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day. And we will see you on Weekend Project, and then, of course, on Saturday. All right? So enjoy. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll see you. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Huh? How you doing? You guys are trouble.